Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre earbuds that can't deliver on sound quality or comfort? I just got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 AI True Wireless and I have to say, these sleep earbuds are a total game changer. With their exceptional audio, I can hear every detail, from the smallest reverbs to the subtlest textures. It's like I'm right there in the recording studio. The HD voice feature is also incredibly clear, making phone calls a breeze, and the adaptive active noise cancellation is so effective, I can immerse myself in my favorite music or podcasts anywhere I go. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these earbuds, and it's clear why they're so well reviewed. The optimized comfort fit is designed to keep them in your ears for hours without needing to adjust or take a break. I've worn them to bed and woken up with them still comfortably in place. The soft texture of the earbuds feels gentle against my skin. The AI assistant feature is also super handy. I can get quick answers and real-time translations delivered straight to my ears. All I have to do is ask. Whether I'm working out, commuting, or just relaxing, these earbuds have become my go-to choice. They're so much better than other earbuds I've tried. The sound is richer, the fit is more comfortable, and the features are more intuitive. If you're in the market for a new pair of earbuds, I highly recommend giving the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 AI True Wireless a try. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.